The question is, how do I migrate from Shopify store to another platform? Well, the first thing that I would ask is why? Shopify is a very capable platform. Why would you want to migrate from Shopify to another platform? There are some reasons for this, right? It might be price related. You might think that Shopify is too expensive. You might have really crazy customizations where you need to go to a more custom platform. Maybe from a security standpoint or from a compliance standpoint, you need to be on a custom platform or a more enterprise platform. Or simply maybe you are downgrading and you don't need a Shopify store anymore. But regardless of the reasons, it is possible to migrate out of Shopify. You are going to basically make sure that you take your products, your customers, your orders, your options for your products, and all the content pages on your Shopify site, and validate through the API and move it into another system. It is very doable. Now, the last piece of this is very important. You need to make sure that you do the 301 redirects, which means that every single page you have on Shopify is migrated properly to another platform so that you don't lose the SEO rankings, the Google rankings that you have. Depending on the platform that you are migrating to, there are different tools that you can use to do this migration. But if you're doing more than $500,000 in annual revenue, we recommend that a professional company actually handles this migration for you. And during this migration process, you might want to optimize your site a little bit. You look at the design elements. You look at the conversion optimization elements. What can you improve on your website that is going to benefit you on the new platform? Now, we have had clients that migrated from Shopify to BigCommerce. We've had clients that migrated from Shopify to more enterprise systems like SAP Hybris or Adobe Commerce Cloud. It really depends on what you are trying to do and why you want to migrate. If you have any questions about migrating out of Shopify, please comment below and we will respond within 24 hours.